Do's and don'ts to noise in the workplace. Noise exposure issues should be taken seriously by the employer and employee. With that in mind, here are the do's and don'ts that should be observed in the workplace to ensure that excessive noise is under control. Identifying noise sources. Identify the noise exposure sources in your workplace. Use the checklist provided in the Industrial Code of Practice. Using a noise dosimeter. For employees who have been selected to use the noise dosimeter during the noise risk assessment activity, you are advised to not interfere with the device whenever in use. Misuse of air guns. It is a common occurrence. Make sure it does not happen in your workplace. Warning signs. Put up appropriate warning signs to offer relevant information to your employees. Regular periodic preventive maintenance, PPM. Please adhere to the maintenance schedule. Audiometric testing. If an employee is exposed to noise exceeding the noise exposure limit, the employer must send the employee for an audiometric testing. Preparations for audiometric testing. Please observe the 14-hour silent period prior to undergoing the audiometric test. Audiometric testing report. The employer must discuss the findings of the audiometric test with the employee. The report must be presented to the Health and Safety Committee in the workplace. Noise-absorbing materials as a noise control method. After identifying the noise source from a machine, one of the control methods is to use the noise-absorbing materials. The use of personal hearing protector. Hearing protective equipment must be worn correctly and meet the established standards and approved by the Director General. Storing personal hearing protectors. Hearing protection devices must be properly stored after use. Warning: any violations of noise control regulations in the workplace will result in a fine or imprisonment.